Hello and welcome back to Boring Tech Tips. And in this video, we're going to talk about a really quick issue. If you've ever run into an issue where you go to create a new folder and uh, it might accept load fast when you create a new folder, but when you go to rename it, you type in something and it takes like 3 to 5 seconds to load. I just fixed this on mine, so you're not going to see this problem. Here's how you fix it. So I came across this TenForums link here, so I'll post this in the description below. But basically, you do the following steps. You go to View, you go to Options, and then in here, you can, if you see these other two options that have these privacy things, you do all that. But basically, it's this clear file, explore history. Something about this has bugged it, and all you have to do is click it, hit OK, and that's it. And now when you go to create a new folder or rename it, you won't have any issue. Believe it or not, that fixes it. This is a Windows 10 issue, and this is the Windows 10 fix. So, like I said, this is a boring tech tip video. We keep them nice and short here. Like this video if this was helpful. Thanks. Bye.